Good morning everybody and welcome to this first Headmasters video blog of the autumn term 2021. It's Friday the 10th of September and what an exhilarating week we have enjoyed as Kingswood House has proverbially and physically opened its doors to girls as well as boys for the first time in 122 years since the school's foundation in 1899. A really proud moment as we welcomed in over 60 new joiners on Wednesday afternoon in the baking sunshine, 20 of them or thereabouts, girls in their uniforms looking resplendent. And then yesterday, all the returning faces as well. It was a very happy, buzzy, vibrant atmosphere. And I have to say, a few wanton, covetous glances from the boys, particularly the boys, towards the new Astro, which is nearing completion. It is going to look sensational. So I hope, parents, that you've had a chance to read the newsletter that I sent out to you on Tuesday, which gives you kind of more of the prosaic information pertaining to the term, because I think really at this point in time, this is just a quick drop-in from me to say the term has started really well. The newsletter has got some wonderful photographs in it of new joiners and returning faces alike, as well as some very happy staff, certainly as well from an inspirational inset that we had with Ros McLeod about using emotional intelligence in the classroom on Wednesday. So we are all raring to go. We have our postponed Christmas party from 2020 to look forward to tonight. So if I were you, I'd give Epsom Town Centre a very wide berth. And we're all set for the week ahead. It's going to be tremendous. I would say on a advised note that, of course, the COVID situation continues to change day by day, so we will continue to keep you updated with that. But at the moment, we're enjoying our newfound freedoms. Tomorrow, of course, is the 20th anniversary of 9/11, a very poignant day and one that all of us who were alive at that time will almost certainly remember exactly where we were when those events transpired and unfolded. I mean, I could hardly believe what we were seeing. And I think that is something that we will revisit next week and try and make sure that the students here at the school understand the gravitas of that situation and, of course, how it ties into our school values here at Kingswood House and why those values of respect, integrity and endeavour are universal and so important to protect the freedom, the democracy, the speech that we all have and take for granted on a day-to-day basis. And best wishes to Emma Raducanu, that remarkable young lady, just 18 years old, through to her first Grand Slam final as a qualifier. Absolutely remarkable. And it just kind of goes to show that if you have the right mindset, then if you have the talent to boot, then anything is possible. And it follows that really important principle, the 10-90 principle, which is that life is all about the 10% of what happens to you and the 90% about how you respond. And that is definitely a message I imparted to the girls and boys in Headmasters Assembly yesterday. In the meantime, let's hope it stays dry for the rest of today. Have a great weekend, and we look forward to welcoming back the girls and boys, and indeed you, to the information meetings for upper prep and lower prep next week. Have a super weekend.